So there are many ways to filter the air in your shop. There are shop air cleaners like you can buy from, like a woodworking store. There are dust collectors, vacuums, all that sort of stuff. EnviroKlenz makes a shop and home air cleaner, an air filtration unit like this. This thing is unbelievable. It filters down to a level that is way finer than a normal woodworking air cleaner. It uses a 2-filter system. You've got an activated filter, a pre-filter here, and then a secondary filter that is super thick and really gets all the particles in the air. It filters down to the micron level, and the micron level particles are the ones that can do damage inside your body. EnviroKlenz sells these with filter packs, and there'll be some links down in the descriptions where you can learn about products like this. Super quiet, and what's also nice about this unit in particular is that it moves a good amount of air. So when I'm in the shop on a super hot day, I like to keep the air moving around the shop. So by using this on high, it's also helping circulate that air so it's not just sitting all in one place. I've noticed a big difference in my metal shop while using this. You don't have that same metal shop smell after like a long day of grinding. So definitely check out the EnviroKlenz, and thank you EnviroKlenz for sponsoring this video.